Hello friends, myself Professor Meenu Mangal, Department of Chemistry, Udar International College, Mansarovar, Jaipur. Today I'll start isomerism. Now isomerism was first discovered by German chemists Liebig and Wöhler in 1820. The word isomer is derived from Greek words isos and meros, which means equal parts. Now, those compounds which have the same molecular formula but different molecular structure, that is, which have the different physical and chemical properties, are called isomers, and this phenomenon is called isomerism. Now, on the basis of structure and symmetry of the molecule, isomerism are of two types which are shown in the slide. The structural isomerism, it arises due to the difference in the mode of attachment of the atoms in the molecule. The structural isomerism is also called as constitutional isomerism. It is of 6 types. The first one is chain isomerism. It arises due to the difference in the main carbon framework of the molecule. So it is called as skeletal isomerism. For example, the molecular formula of C4H10. Now the two chain isomers are obtained. Now the basic carbon chain is different in both the isomers. In butane, the main carbon chain is of 4 members. In isobutane, the main carbon framework is of 3 members. Now, second is positional isomerism. The positional isomerism arises due to the difference in the position of the double bond, triple bond, or functional group or any substituent in the compound. For example, C4H9Br. Now, the 1-bromobutane, which indicates the bromo group present at the first position, and in the 2-bromobutane, which indicate the bromo group present at the second position. So the position of the functional group bromo are different in both the isomers. Now third one is the functional isomerism. Now the name indicates that the functional group will be different in such type of isomers. Now it is caused by the presence of different functional group in the compound, but the molecular formula will be same, and again the structure will be different. For example, the molecular formula of C2H6O. Now the two isomers, one is ethyl alcohol and the dimethyl ether, both having the same molecular formula, that is C2H6O, but in ethyl alcohol the functional group will be alcoholic group OH, and in dimethyl ether the functional group will be ethyl group, and both the isomers are different in nature and having the different physical and chemical properties. Now the fourth one is the metamerism. This type of isomerism arises due to the difference in attachment of the different alkyl substituent across the bivalent or trivalent atom or group, like bivalent atom oxygen, trivalent atom nitrogen. Now for example, in case of an ether, the molecular formula is C4H10O and represented by the two isomers, and these isomers are called metamers. And in the first isomer, ethoxyethane, now the two ethyl groups are present across the oxygen atom, and oxygen is bivalent, so it forms a symmetrical ether. But in the second isomer, the one side of the oxygen methyl group is present and another side of the oxygen propyl group is present, and it forms a methoxypropane. And It is also called as unsymmetrical ether. Now, fifth one is tautomerism. It is a special type of functional group isomerism in which an atom, generally hydrogen atom, migrates from one polyvalent atom to another polyvalent atom with simultaneous migration of double bond. Now, such isomers are also called as tautomers and they exist together in equilibrium and easily interchange, and it occurs via intramolecular proton transfer. Intramolecular means within the molecule, and it is also called ketoenol tautomerism. For example, acetoacetic ester is found in two forms, keto form and enol form. Keto form is more stable than the enolic form and it is occurring around 92% and enol form is occur 8%, and they are known as tautomers. Now, sixth one is ring chain isomerism. As the name indicated, the one isomer is of open chain structure and the another isomer is of ring structure. Now they generally contain different numbers of pi bonds. For example, the molecular formula of C3H6, the chain isomer is propene, and in the ring isomer is cyclopropane. In the propene there is one double bond is present, but in cyclopropane there is no double bond. Now the second one is stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerisms are referred as those compounds which have identical molecular and structure formula as well as identical position of bonds, but they differ only in the spatial arrangement of atom in the three-dimensional space, are called stereoisomers, and this phenomenon is known as stereoisomerism. The different molecules have different energy and hence the isomers are separated by different energy barriers. On the basis of energy barrier, the stereoisomers are of two types. If the energy barrier between the isomer is low, that is below 60 kJ per mole, then these stereoisomers can interconvert at room temperature and are not isolable. Such isomers are called conformers or rotamers, and this isomerism are known as conformational isomerism. If the energy barrier between the isomers is high, that is above 100 kJ per mole, then these isomers are quite stable at room temperature and could be isolated because the energy difference between the two isomers are very high. So such isomers are called configurational isomers, and this isomerism is called configurational isomerism. Now the configurational isomerism are of two types, geometric isomerism and optical isomerism. And the geometric isomerism resulting from the restricted rotation about carbon-carbon double bond, and it is also known as cis-trans isomerism, and due to the restricted rotation their mirror image do not superimpose on its original object, that is they have no superimposable mirror image and hence are called diastereomers. For example, cis-butene and trans-2-butene, and they are not mirror image of each other and they behave as a different compounds. Now the second one is optical isomerism. If the two stereoisomers are related to each other as an object and mirror image, which are not superimposed on each other. So they are called optical isomers or enantiomers. Enantiomer means they are mirror image of each other and they have the similar physical and chemical properties, and but they rotate the plane polarized light in opposite direction. One isomer rotate the plane polarized light in clockwise direction is called dextrorotatory isomer, and the another isomer rotate the plane polarized light in anti-clockwise direction, so it is called levorotatory isomer. And so this example which I shown the slide explain that these two, dextro and levorotatory, these two isomers are mirror image of each other, but they rotate the plane polarized light in opposite direction. Now, thank you.